when I don't have enough time, when I feel like I have a lot on my plate, I have to complete, I have to finish my all the task in this short period of time. uh, that time I do blunder. And what is that? That is, I often do all the task very carefully and very properly, but I don't do English speaking practice. I One thing, that is the only thing I left always, and that is the main reason I am lacking words. I am facing lack of sentence structures. That is my biggest problem, and maximum people do maximum people do this kind of mistake. This is not only a mistake, this is a blunder, right? So whenever we feel like we have a lot on our plate, at first we should we should do our English speaking practice and then other things, right? And the second things, we watch a lots of videos on YouTube in a day. Instead of watching a lots of videos on YouTube in a day, we should watch only one videos for multiple times in a day. And I do the same thing. I don't watch any single video for multiple times. I watch a lots of video in a day, and I get a lots of words, new words, and I just start searching on ChatGPT or Google about their meanings and some sentences related those words. So I never try to memorize them. I just read aloud for 2 or 3 times at the same time, and I just keep it aside. So we should not do like that. We should watch a single video for multiple times in a day, and if we get new words, then we have to note it down, and we have to memorize. We should try to memorize those words meaning and try to use them in sentences. At first, try to understand all the words in sentences, and after that try to create your own sentences, right? So these things really helps me to learn new words. And uh, and while watching English videos, we should observe how words are connected with each other. But what happens to me, I often go deep inside the video, and I often forget that I am learning English. English. So this happens to me often. So we should not do like that. We should just focus on our learning. We should not go deep inside the story. So this is our biggest mistake we often do. And um, and, and third thing, after learning new words, after searching new words, now we know the meanings of those words, but we don't use them on conversation. So how do I use those sentences on conversation? Because I don't have any partner. So how do I use those words on any conversation? So for that, we really need a partner. But if we don't have any partner, then we should do self talk really helps to improve our English. Because why am I saying I have no any partner? I had one, but she is really busy, so she is not calling me. So I often do self talk, and self talk is helping me to improve my speaking skills. So You might have observed my first video, initial videos, and now my recent videos, latest videos. You might have observed the difference between those videos. So I I have been doing self-talk to improve my speaking skills. There is no one to speak with me. So I have been doing self talk since I have started my English learning journey. So yes, I am improving slowly, but I can observe, I can notice that I am improving. So there is no any rush to learn this language, because I'm not going to do any business, I'm not going to do any job, but yes, I need this language. So yes, I if I become stubborn, although I have a lot of money problem, if I become stubborn, then I can purchase an uh, English course, but I won't. Why? Because I have belief, I have faith on me that I can learn this language on my own. Later or sooner, I'll become fluent in this language on my own, and um, when I can learn this language on my own, why will I spend money behind this language? And there is another happiness if you can learn this language on your own. Everyone everyone can learn this language by purchasing any course, by um, by taking online courses, but no but everyone but but everyone cannot learn this language on their own. So if you have faith on yourself, if you have believed that you can learn this language on your own, then why will you spend money behind this language? Try to learn this language on your own. um, Slowly but gradually, you can become fluent in this language. This is my faith, my belief towards this English language, because I have come here so far, um, just just by putting little by little efforts. Yes, I am not able to put a lots of efforts behind this language, but yes, little by little, by putting efforts, I am improving. So you can also improve, just try to put little efforts every day. So one more thing, I want to have a conversation with different people, and I have already mentioned this, but but my Jio's Airtel SIM is disturbing a lot. There is a network issue on Airtel SIM. So once I get new SIM, I will start conversation with different people. So if you are expecting to connect with me, then you can obviously connect with me. So if you want to practice with me, then you can connect with me on Skype app. Just go to Skype app and search Juna Barman, JUNABARMAN. Then we can talk from there, through video call or audio call. Okay, so these are the things I wanted to share with you. I don't know um, what I said in this video, but yes, what had in my mind, I just spoke up. So if I did any mistake, then please forgive me, and I agree that I am not good at communication skills. So while speaking, I may make many mistakes. So um, just forget about my mistakes, and help me to improve my communication skills and help me to improve um, uh, spoken English too. So I hope you liked this video. If you, then please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.